Chicken breast, Elite Barbecue Smoker style.
Hey, I'm Jason Hardy with Elite Barbecue Smokers. The recipe I'm going to share with you today is chicken breast. I'm going to show you how we're going to take these chicken breasts we got from a local grocery store, what we're going to do to flatten them out, the season we use, the brine we're going to use, and how we're going to cook them on a RecTec 380 to get the best chicken breast you've ever had in your life, and I promise you that. So you maintain moisture and be good, moist, and juicy. So let's get to prepping so we get to cooking. So first and foremost, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna pull them out of these packages we got from the local grocery store. These came from Lowe's Food, nothing special about them. And I've got a Ziploc bag here. I'm gonna pull them straight out of this and put them in a Ziploc bag. Now I'm gonna take it and just kind of loosely close it up. And I'm gonna take them and lay them out flat. Now, I've gotten that done. One thing we always know about chicken breast is we got a tapering system. On this side down here, it's narrow. This side up here is really beefy. And so what it means is it's not uniform. So when it's not uniform, it doesn't cook the same. This end will be undercooked, this end will be overcooked. So what I'm gonna do, I got a meat mallet here. So I'm gonna take the meat mallet, I'm just gonna start laying them out and try to make them all flat and uniform. So now we got our chicken breast beat flat, kind of flattened out. Now we're gonna start putting them in the brine, getting ready for brine for about an hour to 2 hours, whatever you want to do. We're gonna brine these for about an hour today. So I'm gonna do a one part, it's gonna be Bird Booster, Butcher's Barbecue Bird Booster honey flavor, and one part Butcher's Barbecue original flavor. Now these come with a little quarter cup. I'm gonna fill about halfway to get about 1/8 of a cup. You ain't gotta be precise. I'm gonna put it in here. Then I'm gonna come and do the same thing on the other side. Do about 1/8 of the cup in there. So I've got that. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of water to it. Just start mixing it up well. Just gonna add just a little bit of water to it. And take my spoon and just mix it till it's dissolved. It ain't gonna dissolve completely, just kind of get it where it's just big granules. Now I'm gonna add my chicken breast to this. And you can brine this Ziploc bag if you want to. I just like doing it this way because it can kind of force it down. But you see how much thinner those are now? See how much uniform they are? So now I'm gonna add a little more water, just basically enough to cover them good. All right, so while we've got our chicken breast right here in the container, we're gonna put them in the refrigerator and let them marinate. We're gonna start mixing up our outside rub we're gonna have. And this will also have a binder agent with it. We're gonna mix it all together. And that when we apply it, kind of like a paste, it'll all stick to it and it'll have really good, even flavor throughout the entire chicken breast. So what we're gonna do is actually a little bit different. We're gonna use some Duke's mayonnaise right here. And what I'm gonna probably do is figure about a scoop of this per chicken breast. So I got 4, so I'm gonna do 4 pretty good sized scoops. And you can use any kind of mayonnaise you want to. I just use Duke's because I like the flavor of Duke's. So now I'm gonna take Rufus T chicken rub. I'm gonna come in here. I'm gonna add some to my mixture. Then I'm gonna take my Heath Riles chicken rub. So my Rufus T has got kind of a lemony, zesty type flavor to it. This one's got more traditional barbecue flavor to it. So I like to mix the two together. Kind of gives me a yin and yang type scenario. So I'm gonna come in here and do it. Now all I'm trying to do is just kind of put some flavor in there. I don't necessarily need any hard mixture. I just want to be able to mix it up. When I mix it up and I feel like I got the sauces, the rubs throughout the entire thing, then all of a sudden I know where I'm at. And I can taste this. So I'm gonna put in a little bit, put a little bit more. A good idea is kind of what would you put on a chicken breast by itself. If you want to take that rub and go over top of both sides about that much, then I have put basically 2 chicken breasts worth of rub in here. If you want to do it more than that, then you would have to do it to taste. But that's kind of the thought process, kind of give you a rough idea of where we are. And then you can see this here, a mixture we got. Now I'm gonna set this in the refrigerator along with my brine and let it brine for about an hour. Then we're gonna put these bad boys on the grill. So stick around, we'll be right back. All right, my chicken breast has been brined for right at an hour. We're gonna take it out right here and start getting ready to put seasoning on it. Just gonna take it right here and kind of put a damp paper towel on it and just set it down with papers. All I'm trying to do is get something to get the moisture off of it so my paste seasoning stuff here can have something to adhere to. Because if I leave this juice on there, don't take it off, it won't stick. It'll just kind of just roll right off. So I'm just gonna put these paper towels on there like that. Now I've got a paper towel on the bottom. I'll take the other ones I've got, just kind of damp dry the top of them. Once I've got that, I'm gonna take them out of this paper, off the bottom paper towels, and start laying them over. I want to put the back side up because I want the top side to be my finished product. I'm gonna put the paste on it last. So while this is resting just a minute here, I'm gonna go ahead and light my RecTec 380, get up temperature. So now we're gonna start applying our paste to our chicken breast right here. Again, this paste right here is mayonnaise, Rufus Teague chicken rub, along with Heath Riles chicken rub. I love the combination they have. I got a good little spicy from the Rufus Teague, a little zesty, citrus, and then Heath Riles got a good kind of a barbecue flavor to it, saltiness and stuff. So I'm gonna come on top of it right here and just kind of brush it in a little bit. So now as you see it right here, I'm taking this chicken, this paste we've got right here, and I'm putting it all over the back side of this chicken. And I'm gonna kind of keep going across it the best I can with it. Once I get on this side, then I'll flip it over and I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. And if you need more of it, it's not hard to make. We made this earlier and I just put it in the refrigerator with the other ones. That way the spices blend together very well. That's the way it'll be ready to put on the. Now we got our paste on there. We're gonna start adding some more, a little bit over top of it, kind of give a good color to it. So now, as soon as the RecTec 380 gets up to temperature, we'll put these chicken breasts on there. So stick around, we'll be right back. All right, so our RecTec 380, it's up to temperature. We're gonna put these chicken breasts on the grill. So let's get it cooking. We're gonna keep cooking. We'll go up there and turn temperature around 155 degrees on these chicken breasts. That way maintain moisture. So stick around, be right back. We'll take them and flip them over. All right, so our chicken breast right now should be temperature right around 155. Let's check them out. Let's see what it got. $157, $158, $157. This one here was kind of running a little bit hotter, so I pulled her over to the side, and she's probably a little overcooked. But we're gonna put it on the bottom. That's what you got. So I'm gonna pull them away from each other so they're kind of quick cooking. Let them just kind of rest. What I want to do is maintain 155 for about 2 minutes. So I'm gonna let these rest for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna slice them up and we're gonna eat them. One thing I want you to notice right here while we're waiting. See just a little bit of juice, a little bit of fat coming out here. The rest of the juice is inside that chicken. That's one thing when we're doing the brine this way, we're cooking this way, the juice is staying inside the chicken. That's what we got right there.
Chicken breast, Lee Barbecue Smoker style.
So I'm gonna take one of these off and let's slice it up. You see here, a little bit of smoke ring into it. See right here, a little bit of smoke ring into it. Nice and still moist. That's what you're looking for with chicken breast. You cook chicken breast this way, it's really always good moisture and everything. Pulls apart good. Man, just can't beat that. It's moist, it's tender, it's juicy, got a bit of salt in there. You got the rubs from the spicy rubs, the citrus from the Rooster Teeth chicken rub. You got the barbecue flavor from Heath Riles chicken rub. Man, that is what I'm talking about. And it's cooked evenly across. And even though they're a little overshot what we're looking for, they're still moist. You can just see the juice purity flowing out of them. That there is what you're talking about. When you're cooking chicken breast, do it this technique. It makes it flatter, it makes it more uniform, and then when the mayonnaise mixed with this, make that paste in there, it kind of gets those rubs to kind of bind to it and stick to the meat. And on top of that, there's really not that much juice in the bottom of the pan. All that juice is inside that chicken. That's how you cook chicken, the Elite Barbecue Smoker style right there. Thank you for watching our videos. We greatly appreciate it. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Also, if you like our video, subscribe to it and turn the notification bell on and share it with your friends and family. We'd appreciate that also. So we're going to go inside and going to eat us some supper. But before we do that, we got to say the blessing and we got to let Dolly try it. Dolly, you stared at me. You ready for this? Well, come on. Come on. See it. Ready? Come on. Come on. You're going to get this one. Oh, is it good? One more. Ready?
Well, Dolly liked it. I reckon Dolly liked it. You will too. Again, thank you for watching our videos. Let's say the blessing. Let's go eat supper. Lord, bless food by our seed. Just name and pray. Amen. Thank you for watching. See you next time.